Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to share you how I made this type of cover design in Canva for a magazine. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, what I'm going to do is insert a poster design in Canva, and I'm going to go to uploads, and from here I have uploaded a flower image from Pinterest. You just need to search for flower, and I'm just gonna insert it and remove its background. You can use remove.bg for removing it from a website without using Canva Pro. So what I'm gonna do is, after removing it, I'm gonna go right here and duplicate it using Ctrl+D, and I'm gonna go to effects, and from here I'm just gonna make sure that I use different colors for this flower. So I'm gonna go with this blue type color, and the name for this is peppermint. The next thing I have to do is just sand it to the back using layer. So yeah, this is how it looks like right now. So next, what I'm gonna do is insert my text. So I'm gonna go to text and go to insert a heading, and I'm gonna just add my random text that I have. The font I'm gonna use is Anton for this second text box. And what I'm going to do is just increase the size and make sure that it is aligned in the middle, go to layer, and then send it to the back. This is how it looks like right now. What I'm going to do next is just make sure that it is fully aligned. Duplicate the same text box, or you can just insert another text box. Just change this color to a lighter color because I want this to be a pastel cover. Next, I'm going to add another heading. For this, I'm going to use Alex Birch, or you can use any font that you like. So what I'm going to do is just type my text, which is going to be happy birthday. The color for this would be a darker shade of the same color that I used for the second text box. So yeah, here we are. Now we're going to go to layer and paste our text and then send it to the back. This is going to be our paragraph text. Just type some random text that you want. So for now, I'm going to be using lorem ipsum placeholder text. Let me just change this color to blue so that it looks much more better. Like this, send it to the back, and I'm gonna just give it some transparency because I want the colors to be pastel. So yeah, this is the final results. If you like this tutorial, make sure to hit the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can ask anything in the comments below as well.